What's up guys, MJ coming at you. Today we have a beautiful phone to unbox. It's the Nokia 5.1 Plus. Oops, it slid. Alright, stay calm. We're gonna unbox you soon, don't worry. So the Nokia 5.1 Plus, it's a beautiful phone. The reason why I actually picked this phone is, number one, it's because of the color, the design, the beautiful touches on the phone. Also the price, it gives you get a lot from this price, guys. It's around 550 reals, so I don't know how much that's for Indian rupees or for US dollars, but it's very cheap for what you get. You get a lot of things. Also, the processor is not a Snapdragon. Nokia usually get the Snapdragon processor. This is with the Helio processor. So we're gonna check this out as well. Let me just unbox it. So this is the Nokia 5.1 Plus, guys. Let's see what we have. There you go. Let's take out the phone first. There you go. So look at this. Why I get the white color? Because as you can see, you can spot the white accents all over the place, all of the design on the front. So you get it from the sides, from the back. It's like a Pixel, it's like the Pixel 2 or Pixel 3. But you get the extra touches on the left side. This beautiful curve, whites on the screen. It actually touches good with the screen. So this is really great design by Nokia. I'm really impressed how they actually design their phones. And they give them this type of price, and you get value for money for a beautiful design phone. I mean, if I walk around with this, people will just ask me, what is this nice looking phone? So let's take a deeper look at the design here. As you can see, here's the curve, and it attaches to this layer over here with the glass on the back. So this is actually, I think this is a plastic. I'm not sure if it's plastic or metal, but it looks really beautiful. You also get the headphone jack in the phone. This is beautiful. So let's take a quick look at the IOs. Headphone jack on the front. On the right side, power button, volume button. Really nice, clicky, very beautiful. Nothing bad over here. Very high quality materials used here. A USB Type-C and down microphone and a speaker. That's beautiful. We're gonna test the speakers as well. On the right side, it's very simplistic design. It's beautiful, very nice touch. Actually, I'm really enjoying it. I might actually use it as my daily driver. I'm gonna ditch the P20 Pro for this one. So we have the SIM card over here. We're gonna open it later on. Oh, you know what? Let's just open it right now. Why not? We're doing an unboxing. Let's take out the SIM ejector tool. Look how they put it here. You guys trying to make this tough on me. There you go. So I'm not sure what it had, if it's dual SIM card or just one SIM with the SD card. I'm not sure. We're gonna check this out. Yeah. Oh, there you go. So we have, as you can see, it's an SD card hybrid and one SIM card. Let's just double check. It's not water resistant. Also, it's made of plastic, so be careful not to damage this this thing. So does it have, it doesn't say here it has a dual SIM card, but I believe it is. We're gonna check this out in the full review. So for now, we're gonna carefully put it back together because it's plastic. So we have to be careful with plastic. Okay. There you go. So this is the phone. On the back, we have a dual cameras over here. As you can see, beautiful cameras from Nokia. Usually they drop a nice cameras from Zeiss Optics. This is a not certified Zeiss Optic like the 7.1 or the i8.1, but it's really nice looking design. So we're gonna check this out as well. The fingerprint is actually looks like it's flush. You know, the fingerprint is kind of flush, so it's hard to touch it. But if you're used to it, you're gonna touch it. So you're gonna used to it, because usually your tip of finger is gonna touch the camera, tip of the camera. So you're gonna know where you put your finger on. It's beautiful. Let's try the phone. Maybe it has some juice. Whoa, this was a maximum brightness. Sorry guys. Let me just try to. It has this notch, by the way. I forgot about this notch. Let me try to reduce the brightness first. Okay. So if you look at the notch over here, we have the camera, we have the speaker over here, and we have the sensor. Let me just see. Okay, why it's on Chinese? I don't want Chinese, I want English. English, United States, and let's go. We cannot reduce the brightness, no. So we have to do skip, set up new, skip, continue, just a second, next, skip, not now, skip. I wish there'll be like one button over here, just skip everything, and that's it. That'll be way better, man. Okay, accept. So this is a beautiful phone and very well designed, you know. Let me just turn off the Bluetooth as well. Finally, there you go. Introduce it. There you go. Let's also look at what else in the box. So we have, as you can see, the SIM ejector tool. We have the USB Type-C charging. We have a pair of headphones, which are, you know, kind of, you know, budget-wise. And we have a, you know, charging brick. And is it actually a fast charger? It is 5 volt 2 amps. So that's not a fast charger. But, you know, the battery is 3000 milliamp battery, so it doesn't need full charging as needed. Okay guys, this is the Nokia 5.1 Plus, and it looks really nice. We're gonna test the front camera as well, and as you can see, it's an Android one, so it's very pure software experience, and this is what we're looking for. You know, we're looking for the best software experience. You know, we don't want any bloatware, anything that could actually harm your usability of the phone. And you know, this is beautiful. I really already like the phone. So yeah, there you go guys. See you in other videos.